Hi, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Shweta. Shraddha,
Good
sorry.
morning. You changed my name now. You don't like the name Shraddha, it seems. She likes Shweta more. No problem, I can be Shweta for you.
Okay.
Okay,
Shweta.
everybody welcoming Naina on the call. She's been a performer, she has been a star, she has achieved numbers in the month of June. And welcome. Good morning.
Good morning, all. Good morning, RB.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great.
Okay, so great. Is that because you won or you've achieved numbers, or is it just in general because it's raining outside?
Both
मौसम अच्छा हुआ है.
मौसम भी अच्छा है and
डूबते हुए तैरते हुए हम आए हैं ऑफिस.
yes.
Okay, Nana, very excited to celebrate you. Okay, very excited to celebrate your achievements and
Mhm.
excited to speak to you and take some insights of how you have achieved these numbers and how you have done so good throughout and how you've been maintaining or managing the team really well. Can you just, tell me how are you feeling about this achievement? You've won Bharat Club, Elite Club. So how do you feel about this achievement?
I'm feeling great because any RBNs want to be like achieve at least Bharat.
Oh, she's off. Praveen sir को बोलना, she's off the call. She dropped off from the call, I believe, by mistake. Um, we'll try to pull her in again. Sorry, guys. No, I don't see her on the call. I guess there's an issue with my phone, or maybe. Okay. I see you again, Nana.
Yeah, hi. Sorry,
Hi. Was it my error or something from your end?
maybe network issues
Okay, okay, no
because of
worries.
the rainy season.
Rains do not want us to connect, it seems.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, sorry. I was asking you, how do you feel about achieving Bharat Club, about achieving Elite Club?
Actually, see it, I'm feeling great because I have joined Ruby Boss in July 23.
Mm-hmm.
It took 3 years to get this number, and
Okay.
I'm trying since like long time. So in the initially only I had a long good pipeline. So
Mm-hmm.
I have told my team leader Satya ki this month I will get a achievement like Elite Club. But somehow in between 15th some files got rejected or customer back out of gaya and all.
Mm-hmm.
And but in last week of the month I got one unsecured, so this enhanced my net billing. So
Okay. So I
any
believe it's a part and parcel of being into sales, dropping out,
yes,
and
yes.
it's something that is general. But then, how do you think you achieved this, or how did you go back to Satya and say that आज इस month तो मैं करके ही रहूंगी? वो confidence कहाँ से आया?
Initially, because I was following one big working capital since 8 month
Mm-hmm.
because 8 महीने पहले उनका एक business loan हुआ था like
Mm-hmm.
I have given him some 80 lakh unsecured business loan. That
Okay.
time only I understood he is like उनका बार बार उनको requirement रहता है. Then I advised him, he has some security, home loan भी था, property भी था. So I advised him, see sir, because of this, like you're paying high interest, go for, because I am a secured, I do secured maximum. So I
Okay.
have told him, like, you take the working capital because it helps to increase your business as well as आपका need, जो भी है requirement है आपको ये help हो जाएगा. Then he said, देखते हैं अभी बस हो गया, बाद में देखते हैं एंड ऑल. 8 month रेगुलरली, लाइक वीक में 2 बार मैं कॉल करती थी उनको, तो वो पिकअप ही नहीं करता था. इन बिटवीन ही ट्राइड इन सम अदर डीएसए आल्सो फॉर वर्किंग कैपिटल. उसका काम नहीं हुआ तो लास्ट में मेरे पास आया वो. देन आई हैव अरेंज्ड इन 3 CR दिस वर्किंग कैपिटल. तो वो उसमें अच्छा बिलिंग हो गया, एज वेल एज वही मैंने बोला ना, लास्ट मंथ में 2-3 होम लोन भी था. As well as initially only मुझे लग रहा था ये 10, मुझे वो नहीं पता था कि मैं टॉप में रहूंगी, बिकॉज मंथ एंड में डाटा आए तो भी आई वाज इन थर्ड या सेकंड या थर्ड पोजीशन. देन मे बी somehow it happened. वो बोलते हैं ना, ओम शांति ओम का शाहरुख खान का डायलॉग है. तो कुछ भी चीज सिद्ध से चाह तो कायनात भी उसको जुड़ने में लगता है. लाइक
वेरी ट्रू. मुझे और एक डायलॉग याद है, अभिषेक नहीं, किसका है, अक्षय कुमार का डायलॉग, वो जो चिल्लाता है वेलकम में मिरेकल मिरेकल. आप भी वैसे ही चिल्लाए थे.
Yes, that had happened really last month. Last week only I came to know Praveen when told me, he told me like you are the employee of the month. So that time only I got surprised.
So when are you giving us party about this?
कभी आ जाओ बोरीवली.
हाँ, बोरीवली बुलाओ मुझे बस. आएंगे. So मेरा ये next question, if you would want to take it as such, what do you think, या मतलब ऐसा क्या है कि it motivates somebody to be a part of Bharat Club, Elite Club? आपका क्या point of view है इस पे? How does a person want to be a part of these clubs?
See, I think anyone in the sales achieve good numbers, right? So किसी का भी in Rupee Boss we have different club. Even I am also want to go for CEO club with the CEO dinner.
हो जाएगा.
तो yes, तो every RBN का dream है ये, to get Bharat Club, Elite Club and Employee of the Month. So ये तो मंथ स्टार्टिंग में सबका दिमाग में रहता है, ये मंथ मुझे कुछ ना कुछ नंबर लेना है. बट वही है, सेल्स है, कभी कभी इधर उधर हो जाता है, स्पिन हो जाता है, बैकआउट हो जाता है. बट इसमें क्या है कि हाँ, जो बॉस बोलते हैं ना 11 to 1 यू शुड बी ऑन कॉल ओनली, तो आप कॉलिंग या मतलब 11 to 1 वो आपका डेली रूटीन रखो कि आप कॉलिंग में ही रहो, तो ये हेल्प होता है. बिकॉज डेली का आपका रूटीन फॉलो करो तो यू विल गेट गुड नंबर्स.
So what do you think? अभी बॉस हमेशा मुझे भी बोलते हैं plan your day in advance. मैं करती हूँ, कभी कभार करती हूँ, कभी नहीं. But what do you think? Does it add value? Like आपको लगता है आपके
लाइफ definitely add value, and even I can do more than this because मैं सच बोला तो I'm also not following. मतलब प्लान ए डे मुश्किल होता है, आके ही प्लान बनाते हैं हम लोग, एक दिन पहले बना के नहीं आता है. मे बी आज भी वही है, एक दिन बॉस को मिलते हैं, बॉस बोलते हैं उस दिन बनाते हैं, सेकेंड डे थर्ड डे फिर वो रूटीन नहीं हो जा. वी हैव टू फॉलो इट डेली. वो डेली हमारा ब्लड में आना चाहिए, हैबिट होना चाहिए.
वो तो है. But it takes time. I believe it does take time, at least for the new joiners to get into that discipline. But I'm sure आपको तो अभी तक मस्त आपने प्लान बनाया है आज का दिन का. I guess today she's going to close more numbers, the way she's smiling.
This month also I am trying for Elite Club only, so let's see.
हो जाएगा. So any such story that you have of a customer, probably कुछ तिगड़म सा customer कोई निकला है that you're not able to crack the code with him, or like you said that the current customer that you were talking about, उन्होंने भी calls नहीं answer किए, दूसरे DSA में try किया, फिर थक हार के सब आ गए finally Rupee Boss के पास ही. So any such story that you have which motivated you in the past to do better, और you understood that ऐसे थोड़े से टेढ़े मेढ़े customers भी होते हैं, how do you tackle them? So is there any such story that you have?
Yes, definitely. Each and every month we have such a customer because ये सब कस्टमर सब जगह जाके ही आते हैं हमारे पास. हम लोग का मतलब वी हैव द प्रोडक्ट नॉलेज वेरी वेल. मतलब आपको स्ट्रक्चरिंग करने आते हैं तो आप लोग प्रॉपरली मतलब मंथ में जीरो में नहीं जा पाओगे कोई भी. बिकॉज लास्ट मंथ आई हैड वन कस्टमर. मैं खुद 4 महीने से ट्राई कर रही हूँ बिकॉज उसका जो टर्नओवर था इट वाज अराउंड 75 CR एंड अभी आया उनका 15 CR तक. सो इट इज लाइक नॉट मतलब ही हैड सम सिक्योरिटी. वही एक पॉजिटिव है एंड एज वेल एज सिबिल. ये दो चीज था उसके पास एंड बैंक बैलेंस मेंटेन कर रहा था. तो ही वांटेड द ओडी. तो कोई भी बैंक ओडी नहीं दे रहा था. देन हैव अरेंज कैसे भी 3-4 बैंक में NBFC वगैरह ट्राई किया, नहीं हुआ. इट टुक 3 to 4 months. देन आई गॉट इट डन फ्रॉम सम ऑफ द बैंक विद 2 CR ओडी लिमिट. एंड रियली वो सब कस्टमर भी थोड़ा हार्ड था. उसका बाद में सैंक्शन होने के बाद भी उसमें प्रॉब्लम था. रिलीज डीट बनाओ, ये डीट बनाओ, वो डीट बनाओ. तो इट टुक 1 or month. मतलब वो पूरा ट्रांजेक्शन में 4 महीने में क्लोज किया.
How do you tackle these difficult customers? अभी कोई अगर एकदम gets hyper or gets angry, because these are some questions that comes from all our newbies, right? कि फोन ही नहीं उठाते हैं, बताते ही नहीं है, कॉल आंसर ही नहीं, फॉलो अप भी नहीं करते, तो भी कुछ बताते नहीं है, ड्रॉप हो जाते हैं. How do you tackle such situations?
मेन चीज है कि आपको कस्टमर के साथ अच्छा बॉन्डिंग रहना चाहिए. ओके, जो पुराना कस्टमर है एंड रेफरेंस थ्रू आता है ना, ऐसा नहीं होता है. एंड ये जो बिजनेस है हमारा मोस्ट प्रोबेबली मैक्सिमम हमारा नंबर्स रेफरेंस थ्रू ही होता है. यू कैन चेक विद एनी ऑफ द टीम लीडर, टीम मेंबर. बिकॉज ये हमारा बॉन्डिंग जो बोलते हैं ना कस्टमर के साथ, वो अच्छा रहना चाहिए. कुछ भी हो, कभी कभी चिल्लाते हैं, दिस इज पार्ट एंड पार्शियल ऑफ सेल्स, बट वी शुड कीप पेशेंस. मतलब काम रहो. मतलब वो गुस्सा होते हैं तो ये रख के बाद में कॉल करके उनको समझाओ. ओ इट रियली वर्क्स. कभी भी वो चिल्लाते हैं तो हम लोग चिल्लाना नहीं चाहिए. वी हैव टू बी पेशेंस एवरी टाइम. मतलब वो पेशेंस है वो फर्स्ट, मतलब आपका प्रायोरिटी है ये सेल्स का.
वेरी ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू. एक्चुअली ये इन जनरल है, राइट? आई मीन इट्स अ कॉमन ह्यूमन प्रैक्टिस दैट वी शुड हैव. कोई भड़कता है या कोई चिल्लाता है तो we should also not start yelling at them, right? It's a simple thing. It's something that is supposed to be followed by a human in general. But in sales, yes, आपने जैसे बोला, it's a part and parcel, and people get angry. We call them, ask them for loans and all. It becomes a little tedious for them to handle these calls in between their schedule. तो आई अंडरस्टैंड. यस, ये तो आपने करेक्ट बोला दैट दे गेट एंग्री, वी शुड कॉल देम लेटर एंड एक्सप्लेन देम इन पीस कि यार मैं ये समझा रही थी आपको, तभी आप फ्यूरियस थे. एनीवे, सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, let's get into a fun segment. What do you like? What do you do in your free time to release of the stress? I'm sure आप बहुत stressed रहते होगे considering sales. इनसे बात करना है, उनसे बात करना है. How do you think? How do you handle your stress? How do you release your stress? Do you sing, dance? क्या करते हो? Music?
See, I do everyday workout. Like I go, sometimes I go for swimming, or sometimes I go for yoga, aerobics. मतलब मेरा रूटीन है वो 1 घंटे का.
Wow, I mean, amazing. I don't get time to even walk for like 10 minutes, but you removing time from your busy schedule is very important. But apart from this, you don't listen to music and all?
Yeah, music. मतलब we do normally aerobics ना, so with music only we do. So हाँ, तो 1 hour वो time रहता है, and कभी time मिलेगा तो I do walking also.
So what do you think it's important to have these extracurricular activities even along with your work schedule? आपको लगता है it's important? What is your point of view on that?
1 घंटा खुद के लिए दे दो. कोई भी मतलब even especially for the women, मतलब who handle घर का पूरा किचन संभालो, ऑफिस का संभालो, ऑलराउंडर. Yes, then you should have your me time. 1 hour खुद के लिए दे दो. It is good for your health also. एंड स्ट्रेस रिलीज भी होता है, एंड आपको मोटिवेशन भी मिलता है उसमें.
That's true, very true, very true. So, do you have any message that you would want to give the youth of Rupee Boss, जो हमारे new joiners है, or our existing team for that matter? Because I have seen you. I mean, personally, this is for everyone on the call also. When I joined the company, you were the first person I believe I interacted really close, and I was surprised that okay, Naina is going to be a part of this, and I am taking the call. It's wonderful. So I have seen
Really?
how you handled. Yeah, I mean, you can check with boss also because I mean, you were the first person. I came to Borivali also. Remember, we'd gone for
Yeah,
campus
right,
and all. So
right.
tabhi wo, it was a very
Our first
nice
interaction,
interaction.
right, right.
Yeah, because I have spoken to everybody else later, but you were the first senior whom I connected with, on that level. So I know I've seen how you handle, the organization. I mean, your at least office altogether, the Borivali part, right? And how you are with your team. Is there any message that you would like to give to this team? Okay, not just your team, in general, the whole of Rupee Boss and the youth joining in. What can they practice? What can they do to make their life better? How can they survive sales in general? Because I've seen people dropping out of sales left, right, center. बहुत stress हो रहा है. But sales is a good part, right? I mean, you get to learn so much. So, is there anything that you would want to share, like any insights?
Yeah, firstly, see, we have to, that what I have said, like, आपका bonding with the existing customer and RBA is important है, and follow in detail as our company का slogan है, follow in detail.
In
So
detail.
वो important है. And secondly, जब main part है, आपको आप advise करो customer को right product. मतलब example, if customer is coming for home loan, ठीक है, there is a home saver account also available, ठीक है. I always advise the businessman या high net worth customer go for home saver because they have the surplus fund. It saves their interest. So long term में उनको बहुत benefit है उसमें. So जो customer का benefit है वो sell करो, not ठीक है. UBL is also good for the short term. If cash flow अच्छा है, he can pay the EMI, whatever amount we are giving, then UBL is good. But even if he has the security, okay, the property कुछ है, so then go for secured one long term. And if you're giving LAP, you go with DOD, dropline DOD बोलते हैं, dropline OD. So these are the product. For that you should have proper product knowledge. Product knowledge important है, then you can advise your customer properly, and वो customer really आपको एक reference देके ही जाएगा. This is my like 15 years, more than 15 years I'm working with same industry, and this helped me a lot. मतलब बॉन्डिंग अच्छा रखो, एडवाइस अच्छा रखो, कस्टमर एंड सीए वो रेफरेंस देके ही जाएगा. मतलब एक नहीं, एक कस्टमर 2-3 रेफरेंस देके जाएगा.
So I guess this is one of the values also that we have, right? Entrepreneur first. So उसमें हम लोग यही बताते हैं that always keep your customer at the top priority. उनको हम सबसे best समझाएंगे, उनको हम जो भी better है product, we will give them that product itself, because there are many customers जिनको पता भी नहीं होता है this is the product. So we are the ones who are supposed to guide them, right?
So any of the team member या team leader या कोई भी RBN है, उनको मतलब सब प्रोडक्ट का नॉलेज रहना चाहिए. कस्टमर का रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, मतलब शॉर्ट टर्म में, लॉन्ग टर्म में, उनका बिजनेस क्या है, बिजनेस थोड़ा समझ लो, उनको कभी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट, कैसे रिक्वायरमेंट है वो समझ लो, देन इट्स सॉर्टेड, राइट.
So for that you have to have that rapport with the customer. एक बार बात करने से तो कुछ नहीं समझ में आएगा. It needs time, it needs patience, it needs for you to understand on how the customer's mentality works. I've seen this because थोड़े aged customers होते हैं, उनको नहीं पता होता है, तो हम जब तक explain नहीं करेंगे, they will not understand. Yes, correctly said that, and this is for everyone on the call. We need to go for these training sessions that we keep, right? All of this, it's important mainly to understand the subject, because you are going and pitching something to the crowd outside. So yes, very well said. Anything else that you would want to message?
Yeah, I want to thank all of my team as well as PN, our boss, always motivating us for like do better numbers, as well as एक process बताते हैं, each and everything, like positive atmosphere है. मतलब we can work as our business. मतलब इधर हम लोग को job करते ऐसा महसूस नहीं होता है, because we feel as our entrepreneur. Right. And team leader like Satya always helped me. Not only with the success time, he always helped with me for downtime. आएगा तो भी अरे नैना, you can do. You are the better. मतलब you are the brave lady. Every time he used to say. And
Right.
Raulo always inspire us for नहीं आप contest जीतो. You are like अच्छा number करो. And
Correct.
everyone here is like my friends are like इधर आने के मतलब 3 years हुआ like इधर join हो गए. I made lot of friends here, so always I take help of them also. Thanks to them also for all helps. Even
It's like a family now.
yes, yes. Now family में ज़्यादा time नहीं रहते हम लोग अभी.
Exactly.
Rifi was
दिन के
with
9
other
घंटे तो यहीं रहते हैं हम फैमिली के साथ, सिर्फ घर जाते हैं सोने के लिए, बस हमारा घर बस उतना ही काम है.
yes.
But yes, your entire day is in office. You have to make your office your family. And I'm glad to have this conversation with you, and I'm glad that it was you. And
Yeah,
it was a
right.
lovely session. It was a lovely session, and it was very knowledgeable, I'm sure, for people on the call, for people watching it later. I am asking you to watch it later, and take these insights from tenured resources like Naina. I'm sure we'll have many more such achievers coming in future. We've got long way to go. We've got every month is a challenge, right? And every month we'll come up with some new cases, with some new challenges. I'm sure next month अगर मैं फिर से आपसे ये conversation करूंगी, आपके पास और 2-3 cases होंगे.
और एक story भी है.
I swear it's very easy. I mean, you can get a story one day. Like एक दिन में आप किसी से बात करते हो, कुछ नया story मिल जाएगा. And it's a learning. Those stories are definitely a learning. Now you know that how to tackle this customer. पहले ऐसे customer के साथ deal किया हुआ है, तो अब कैसे करना है, you understand that. But yeah, I mean, we're towards the end of the session. Anything else that you would want to cover, Naina? Anything else that you would want to, I mean, I am very thankful for the organization to, have this session arranged for the entire segment to watch it, for everybody to view and understand. But anything else that you would want to pick up?
Yeah, there's thanks to everyone for all help, and thanks to RB for giving this opportunity, as well as focus on your number. Focus and consistency is important for the sales. And any can do any numbers in this industry. मतलब कुछ भी आपको कुछ भी boundaries नहीं है इसमें. So
Correct.
they can do better than this. मतलब everyone, each and everyone, every RBN can do better than this, and every can achieve employee of the month. So we have to try, we have to manifest it and visualize. मतलब हम लोग visualize करना चाहिए, हम लोगों को ये होना है, तो 100% हो ही जाएगा.
होता है. Correct. I will remember your dialogue. ओम शांति ओम वाला डायलॉग.
Right.
मैं अभी वो भी एक बैनर बना के डाल देती हूँ सब जगह, that everybody watches it and understands that this is
That's true
actually
actually. हम लोग really वो सच होता है. हम लोग कुछ भी imagination करते हैं ना, वही बार बार दिमाग में आते हैं. वो बोलते हैं manifestation. So one day it will come.
Yes,
and
everybody manifest. You also manifest for next month also. I want to have the same conversation with you.
Yeah.
All right. Perfect. Thank you everybody for joining. Thank you Naina for sharing all the insights. It was a lovely conversation. We are at the end of the time. It was a half an hour session. Thank you everyone again for joining, and all the best for the rest of the day and for the rest of your tenure.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you
Thank you all for joining.